back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you just how effective a facial brush can really be. Let's just get into this and let me show you exactly what I'm going to be doing. Today we're going to be taking off this makeup. I have a full face of makeup on. I had a bunch of meetings today, and I'm going to be showing you how I'm taking it off with my hands, and then I'm going to be showing you how much is really left on there after my face looks clean. With that being said, I'm going to start washing my face. Tie this hair up and let's start this process. I use Cetaphil, dermatologist recommended facial cleanser, and I'm going to be washing my face 3 different times. And I used to only wash my face with my hands, and now that I know how disgusting my face really is afterwards, yeah, I don't do this anymore. And look how much facial cleanser I'm using. I've used like 6 pumps already so far. And I'm just going all over my face, brows and everything. So just wash until you feel like it's clean. Okay, I feel like one more time would be good. And I'm just gonna pat dry. Looks like there's no more makeup left on there. Now let's take our DOLFACE brush. Put a little bit of water on it. Grab my cleanser. 1 pump. Ugh. That went everywhere. And then just start exfoliating. And I've already washed my face multiple times with a lot of cleanser. So you can already see all the makeup that's still in my skin, and that's stuck in my pores because your hands, they don't do it. And you saw how well I washed my face earlier. Like I went in my eyes, I went on my brows, I went like this everywhere, like super scrub. And there's still so much left. So let's rinse off the brush. I'm gonna rinse my face. And I know I probably look crazy in this video, but you need to know. All right, and just for, for good measure, I'm gonna do it one more time. Really put the cleanser in the bristle. And then look how much better it is this time around. So it went from that super like pinkish brownish color to almost nothing's on my skin anymore. So you know you need to wash your face a little bit better than just your hands, because your hands aren't gonna get all that stuff that's stuck in your pores, and then you want to know why you break out and all that other stuff. So that's why you break out, because your hands are not the best resource for a full facial cleansing. And it feels so good. So much better. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse again. And my face feels so much better. If you don't have your DOLFACE brush yet, you can click the link below and go ahead and get your DOLFACE brush. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Just because you're using your hands to wash, doesn't matter what facial cleanser you're using, you have to exfoliate and really get all that dirt, all that makeup, and all that crap off of your face. With that being said, have an amazing life.